Today's adventure is going to be dancing around the rain. Yeah! What we're headed for is Clifty Falls Tunnel. I'm not sure when it was. It might have been at the end of February, maybe? Beginning of March, we went to Clifty Falls. We did a lot of trails there. We wasn't able to go through the tunnels because the bats were hibernating. Well, it's okay to go through the tunnels now, and that's where we're headed. But I'm exhausted. Didn't get much sleep camping last night. So I'm going to go down and get me a tea, and we'll see you at Clifty Falls. Alright, today's video is going to be done a little different, okay? I'm going to use the head mount for the GoPro, and I'm not going to have the mod on it, so I probably won't be speaking much, but whatever we talk inside the tunnel, during post, I will try to up the volume. Plus, we're going to have to use lights. We're going to try to get the best lighting we can, but don't expect it to be perfect. It is going to be very dark inside the tunnel. So guys, I'm going to turn this off till we get to the tunnel, just so I can watch my footing, because it is very wet and slick going down these stairs. Okay, on the way to the tunnel, I'm going to go ahead and get a shot of one of the falls here. If you want to see the falls and much better shots, I will post a link down in the description. I got about 3 or 4 videos of nothing but Clifty Falls. Today's mission is the tunnel though. And maybe some fishing afterwards. Alright, we're headed to the tunnel. Alright, let's get started. Careful, it's very slippery down through here. Oh my gosh, I can already feel the cold. Holy. I'm not sure, this may be darker than that train tunnel. Holy. Wow. Low ceiling here. Oh. Oh boy, it's going to be good on the back. Whoa, careful, Ange. Waiting on Angie to come. Oh man, there's big puddles here. My feet's drenched. Please be careful. Whoa, I hit my head. I hope this is picking up on the GoPro.
Whoa, ouch. Oh man, I'm walking right through the water. This might have been a bad day to come.
I was gonna say, I don't think you can avoid it. The rain.
Well, you know what sucks is I don't want to have to go back home and get fresh socks.
True.
Ouch. I hit my head again. Okay, I'll wait for you.
I'm coming.
My God, look at this rock. Oh, it's old limestone, I think.
Cold.
What?
Big hole.
Careful.
I'm trying to find the best way around here.
So you may have to walk through it like I did.
I did, but I found a big hole. I prefer not to walk in deep holes. Because deep holes make me go down.
Right.
Oh, sorry, little dudes. Sorry, little dudes.
You about ready?
I'm trying there. I'm working it. I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Around this way.
I'm
And right over through here. It's the way I did it.
getting there.
Now, there ain't much you're going to have to get right into water, probably. My feet's already wet, so it doesn't matter.
I'm in the water. That's not the problem.
Well, I see the other end.
Water is not the problem.
Oh, wow, look at this. I'm going to stop for a minute. Low ceiling, though. Yeah. Whoops. As long as it ain't hitting the GoPro, I'm okay. My head keeps hitting the ceiling. Not sure which way here, babe. Remember when we walked through the creek beds? Whoa.
Yeah.
That's what this reminds me of. All right, there's the end.
Only in a tunnel.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about, yeah, only in a tunnel, yeah. And I got less wet at the creek bed. Oh, almost lost my shoe. Oh, that's deep. That's deep. My feet are completely toast. You may be better going that side.
Maybe that's not right in her socks.
Careful, that rock right there is very loose. Oh. Okay, stop right here and wait for a hinge. So right there's the other end. She's getting pictures, for God's sakes. Okay, here's the end. Whoa. Oh, the hardest part's down here, babe. Oh, Lord, how are we going to get through this? I think the easiest way is around through this way. Let me go first, I'll give you a hand. My shoes are already wet, so it's going to make this awful slippery. Almost got my dang foot stuck. Okay. We're gonna wait for Ange here so I can help her down. Whew. All right. Careful, wherever you step, it's gonna be slippery. Okay, you ready? This is gonna be a long video going through the tunnel. I came down between these two. You kind of put your foot right there in the middle. Give me your hand.
Wait a minute.
Careful.
Okay.
You feel like you're drunk.
You're like,
Okay, it's gonna be slick here, so be careful.
you biting myself.
Oh. Whew. Almost out. Okay, come right down through here carefully and step right there. Step right there and I got you.
We're just preparing for next year's adventure.
Yeah, we are, but I don't want you getting hurt on this one. All right.
I don't think my buff.
Or me getting hurt on this one. You know what though? Actually, I got a better idea. This might be a big mistake, so I wouldn't try it. Let me be the idiot that tries it. Okay, almost down through here.
You know what I forgot?
What's that?
A trekking pole.
Would that help through here? I just slid, so I'm gonna have to help you down. Okay. You know what? Can you come through this way? Yeah, don't go the way I did. That was not exactly smartical. Uh-huh.
I'm getting wet. Is it raining?
Yes, it is, I think. I do believe it is raining. That's why I don't have my mod.
And of course, I didn't bring my cover for my phone.
Okay, let's hike on down through here. Be careful. Since it is raining, it's going to be slick. Whoa. Out of all the days to pick the tunnel, we picked the day after lots of thunderstorms and rain, and it starts raining while we're here. It adds to the adventure. Okay. Careful. Oh, we gotta climb these steps. It's not that bad. We got it. All right, guys, that will conclude Clifty Falls Tunnel. I hope the video comes out. I did the best I could. I thought it might be kind of smartical to put it on my head. Now, if we didn't have all that rain, I don't know if it would have been as wet inside. If you guys ever come and do it, just be careful. It is very rugged, and you will get your feet wet. But other than that, stop, take a look around, enjoy the scenery, and before you know it, you'll be through. That completes 2 tunnels this week. Whew. It tuckered me out coming back up the hill.
Straight up.
And I think one of the reasons for that is when we camped last night, we didn't really get much sleep in. We sat there in the tent telling ghost stories and stuff half the night, and plus we had a thunderstorm. Plus we was trying to figure out where that train whistle was coming from. Alright guys, that will conclude today's video. On to our next adventure. That's right, stay tuned. The adventure's not over with yet. If we could pull it off, I think the next venture would be a whole other park to do some hiking. Get some beauty in hiking. Right now I'm going to go back to the car and probably make plans to go fish. And yeah, until next time, come on guys, let's get out of here. And before I get off here, we met a couple before we went in the tunnel. I think they were looking for salamanders, if I'm not mistaken, and they was really good people. I gave them my YouTube card. Really good people. You know, there's a lot of good people around, I'm telling you. That's what I like. And every park we've been to, every single one, every person we met, always has a good attitude. They do. Alright guys, until next time, come on. Well, let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure.